everybody, my name is Teacher Moon. Welcome to my dance class. Today we're going to be learning a TikTok dance. The song that we're going to learn today is called Don't Start Now by Dua Lipa. The dance is only 15 seconds long, but we're going to separate it into 3 different parts. It's going to be very easy, so come on, let's learn it now.
You know how, don't start caring about me now. Aren't you the guy who tried to hurt me with the word goodbye? Though it took some time to survive you, I'm better on the other side. I'm all good already, so moved on, it's scary.
First part, we're going to put our hands up. And when the music starts, you're going to go down, down, down. So from up here, 1, 2, 3. The last one, you're going to bend your knees a little bit. Bend. Now you're going to sway side to side. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. From the top again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next from here, you're going to make your hands into a fist. You're going to hit your hips to the side. Hit, hit. So twice. From up here, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to go hit, hit. Then another 2 times, but now you're going to put your fingers up into 2. So you're going to go hit, hit, 2, 2. From up here, 1, 2, 3. Left, right, to the side, side, 2, 2.
Don't start caring about me now. Aren't you the guy who tried to hurt me with the word goodbye? Though it took some time to.
So after the first part, now it's the second part. From here, you're gonna take your left hand, you hit your head up, and from the hit, it's gonna go all the way down to your body, boom. So up and boom. So from here, you're gonna take your left hand up. When your body goes all the way down, you're going to bring your hands up here and make a stop. So from here, you're gonna go hit and up. You're gonna take your left hand, you're gonna roll your hand back and hit your shoulder, hit, and to the front, and back and front. From here, boom, and hop, and back and front. And to finish off this step, we're going to take this elbow and hit your hip, boom, and other side too, boom. While we hit our hip, the same hip, same leg, your leg is going to come up. So you're going to go boom, the other side, boom. So if we go from here, boom, 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 and back and front, hip, hip.
Don't start caring about me now. Aren't you the guy who tried to hurt me with the word goodbye? Though it took some time to survive you, I'm better on the other side.
Now it's the last part, part 3. After here and here, you're gonna point to your wrist as if you're asking for the time. So you're going, and your hips are going to go side to side. So practice your hips first. Go right, left, right, left, right. So your hips move 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the same time, you're going to point to your hand, asking for the time. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your hips are going to go to the side 3 times. Imagine you're hitting the wall with your left hip. You go boom, boom, boom. 3 times only. So after 5 times your hips, from your time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're gonna go to the side 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now with the hands, you're gonna go down, middle, a little bit higher. So you start from down, boom, middle, up. You go from down to up. From the time you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom, boom, boom. You can move your shoulders also while you move your hips. You go boom, boom, up. You're going to stretch your left hand up and turn your body to the side. You're gonna practice stepping back, 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 back. And while you do back, 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 your hands are gonna go back, front, back, front. So just practice your hands first. Bend your knees and go back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front. Go to the back, back, front, back, front. The third step. From here, go. Time. 4, 5. Boom, boom, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, bye-bye.
Tell me now, aren't you the guy who tried to hurt me with the word goodbye? Though it took some time to survive you, I'm better on the other side. I'm all good already, so moved on, it's scary.
Okay, one more time, slowly from the top all the way to the end. So open your legs, hands up. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Left, right, hips, hips, 2, 2. Head and up. Back, front, 1, 2. Time, 3, 4, 5. Hips, hips, hips. Back, front, bye bye.
Don't start caring about me now, aren't you